Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamars. Today, we have an exciting product review for you, a game changer in kitchen cleaning. Multifunctional brush with refillable soap dispenser. In the realm of kitchen cleaning tools, innovation is often a welcome surprise. The multifunctional kitchen cleaning brush with refillable soap dispenser is one such product that promises to revolutionize the way we approach kitchen hygiene. As an avid home cook, I decided to put this tool to the test and see if it lives up to the hype. The first thing that caught my eye was the sleek and ergonomic design of the brush. The handle is comfortable to grip, and the bristles are strategically placed for efficient cleaning. The durable plastic construction ensures longevity, making it a wise investment for any kitchen. The standout feature is, without a doubt, the refillable soap dispenser. The reservoir is easy to fill, and the release mechanism is smooth and precise. This not only eliminates the need for a separate soap bottle but also ensures that the right amount of soap is dispensed with each use, preventing wastage. The multifunctional kitchen cleaning brush excels in its versatility. From scrubbing stubborn stains on pots and pans to cleaning delicate glassware, this brush proves to be a true all-rounder. The bristles are firm enough to tackle dried-on food but gentle on surfaces to prevent scratches. The soap dispenser feature adds a layer of convenience to the cleaning process. With just a gentle press, a controlled amount of soap is dispensed directly onto the surface being cleaned. This eliminates the need for constant dipping into a separate soap container, making the cleaning process more efficient and enjoyable. Putting this brush to the test, I found it to be highly effective in removing grease and grime. The soap dispenser ensured a consistent lather, making it easier to tackle tough stains without excessive scrubbing. Whether cleaning greasy stove tops or dried saucepans, the brush delivered impressive results. Refillable soap dispensers also have the added benefit of being environmentally friendly, as they reduce the need for single-use plastic bottles. This eco-conscious design aligns with the growing trend of sustainable living and adds an extra layer of appeal to the product. The brush is easy to clean after use, and the removable brush head allows for thorough sanitation. Refilling the soap dispenser is a breeze, and the transparent reservoir makes it simple to gauge when a refill is needed. The overall maintenance is hassle-free, ensuring that the brush remains a reliable kitchen companion over time. The multifunctional kitchen cleaning brush with refillable soap dispenser is a game changer for those who take pride in maintaining a clean and efficient kitchen. Its thoughtful design, versatile functionality, and eco-friendly features make it a standout product in the realm of kitchen cleaning tools. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual home cook, this brush is sure to streamline your cleaning routine and leave your kitchen sparkling. It has certainly earned its place as a must-have tool in my culinary arsenal.